In the following question, what we are given two sets A and B such that the number of elements in the union of the two sets is 18, and individually the two sets have the following number of elements. A has 8 and B has 15. So what are we given? We are given and A equals to 8 and B equals to 15 and A union B equals 18. Now what we need to find out is to find an A intersection B, okay? To find an A intersection B. Now by cardinal property of sets, we know that n A union B equals to n A plus n B minus n A intersection B, okay? So that would imply 18 equals to 8 plus 15 minus n A intersection B, okay? Now this would imply 18 equals to 23 minus n A intersection B, and this would in turn imply n A intersection B equals 23 minus 18, which is 5. Okay, so the intersection will contain 5 elements. Okay, the question given to us is that in a group of 400 men, 250 can speak French and 200 can speak English. Okay, so we need to find out how many can speak both the languages. Okay, so what is given to us? Essentially what is given to us is that if say F represents French speaking people, French speaking men, E is English speaking men. So what is given to us? That number of men speaking French is 250. Number of men speaking English is 200. Okay. Also there's something else that we know. We know that the total number of men is 400. So we know that total number, so the union of French and English is 450. We need to find out what would be the number of people who speak both. So that means the intersection, right? So how do we proceed? Again, using cardinality property of sets. N A union B equals to N A plus N B minus N A intersection B. Okay, so here in this case it is N F union E equals to N F plus N E minus N F intersection E. So we have that this union is 400, which is the total number of people. We know that French speaking are 250. We know that English speaking are 20. Okay, so how many of them speak both? Essentially it would be 450 minus NF intersection E. So this implies NF intersection E equals to 450 minus 400, which gives 50. So there are 50 men who can speak both the languages. Okay, let's look at this question. In the question, we are given that A and B are any two sets such that number of elements in A is 17, number of elements in B is 23, and we're also given the number of elements in the union of the two sets is 38. So what is given to us? Let me just jot down what is given to us. NA equals to 17, NB equals to 23, and NA union B equals 38. Okay, we need to find out NA intersection B. NA intersection B. Okay, how do we proceed in that case? Okay, we should know the cardinal property of sets. So by the cardinal property of sets, we know N A union B equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Okay, now what we have this, we have this, we have this. We need to find out this. Now this equation essentially can be rewritten as, this means that NA intersection B equals to NA plus NB minus NA union B, right? So just putting the values here, 17 plus 23 minus 38 implies that the intersection has 40 minus 38, that is 2 elements. So NA intersection B equals to 2. So there are just 2 elements in the intersection.